Alright, welcome. It's Sunday, November 19th. The time is 9:22 a.m. and we're just recording them, doing a little bit more stuff over there across the street. I think that stop work notice is still in effect. Yeah, you can see that little orange thing there. I don't know. Connie said that they were doing more loading this morning around 5 o'clock. Luckily I slept through it, but yeah, doing something. She said they ran a couple loads or one load or something. They filled up trucks. But that's about it. Just more business going on across the street.